In here you have all your different types of pliers and wire cutters, which is really handy. The actual rubberized pieces here are really nice because they're not something that's going to flake. They're not like just a styrofoam type thing put over this. This is all molded into that, and you can see here a little place to hang things as well if you wanted to. But you see the bite there. You know, when you're doing various projects, working on things, and you need to get in at the right angles, it's nice to have a variety of tools to do that. Here's the canvas case. I really like too, because you can just put that about anywhere. So here's the needle nose pliers. You see how that shuts there from the front of it, so everything looks good. Like I said, I'm just out here. I was replacing my latches there on my hood, and these came in handy for reaching in there, grabbing the bolt and those things. Here's your regular pliers, and you see how they work there, the tightness of them. Once again, the handles are done really well. Very pleased with them. And I didn't use this out here this time, but there you go. So you can see how these handles are a little bit different than these handles here. I'm not sure why they did that, but they're all pretty well made. And yeah, I think there's a stamp there, and maybe you check them out. So I'm gonna finish up my projects here. So just want to let you know I've been utilizing these. I like how it holds up. You can use the strap then to wrap it up, which is cool. And I like how you can just lay it on your places where you're working too, and that really helps a lot. So, all right, just thought I'd show you the review. This case seems very well made. Pleased with it, pleased with the tools, and they work great.